They say a watched pot never boils. Of course it does eventually, but we waste valuable time checking the pot repeatedly, or forget about it completely. Until it's too late. Time is valuable, and so are our pots and pans. The solution? BoilingBeeper. It floats in the pot and beeps when it's hot. With BoilingBeeper you can multitask, whether it's preparing the rest of dinner, watching TV, checking in with friends, or playing with the kids. Just place BoilingBeeper in your pot of water, turn up the heat, and wait for the beep. No wasted time checking the pot repeatedly. No mad panic. It's like having a whistling tea kettle for your food. Whether you want the perfect hard-boiled egg, a way to prevent boilovers, or just to enjoy a few extra moments for what really matters. BoilingBeeper is an innovative and useful kitchen solution that makes everyone's life easier.